In this demo, we will be showcasing Bedrock Agent DLP's capabilities around detecting and moderating the usage of sensitive data in Agent Core Gateway calls. The process of setting up support for Agent DLP is fairly straightforward. Simply deploy Agent DLP in a customer's account and attach it to an existing Agent Core Gateway. Once attached, the Lambda will automatically receive and process requests and responses that agents make to the gateway. Here, we have a sample agent wired up to an Agent Core Gateway. Through that gateway, the agent can call a set of tools that return customer and ticket information. Sitting in line on that gateway is Agent DLP, inspecting every tool call as it passes through. Nothing about the agent or the tools has to change. Bedrock simply watches the traffic between them and steps in when sensitive data is involved. The first thing Agent DLP protects is the data the agent sends out to a tool. If a request carries sensitive information that a tool should not receive, Agent DLP blocks that request before it ever reaches the tool. Instead of the result it asked for, the agent gets a clear message telling it the request was blocked and why. Similarly, an agent can receive a response from a tool that contains sensitive data that it shouldn't be allowed to access. When a response would contain that kind of data, Agent DLP intercepts the response on its way back and withholds it so the contents never even reach the model. This functionality is also configurable. If a request or response should only prevent specific types of data from flowing through to an agent, policies can be created to that effect. Customers are able to configure custom rules around what each agent is not allowed to access. And if you don't know where to start, Bedrock will make sure to record any activity containing sensitive data for later review. Here, we can see that name and address have been allowed in the response, but email and phone number have not. Bedrock knows how to redact sensitive information while still allowing your agent to receive a valid response and work with what information it does have access to. Agent DLP also allows you to review information about your Agent Core runtimes and the actions they've taken against your gateways. Based on the access permissions the runtime has, Bedrock is able to identify which data stores the agent potentially has access to, as well as what type of data is contained within them. Furthermore, Agent DLP provides an at-a-glance summary of the requests and responses made by agents to secure gateways. Customers are able to see exactly what type of data agents are attempting to access and use that to verify their guardrails are working as intended. By combining the data an agent can reach with the activity it actually performs, Bedrock gives customers a complete data profile for every agent, what it has access to, and what it's doing with it.